Hey guys, so this is your live look at Xiaomi Mi 12 Pro, and all I can say, Xiaomi is pushing the boundaries. Xiaomi 12 design may look simple, elegant and graceful, but inside it's a beast hiding with most powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 silicon. So yes, Xiaomi 12 is coming in 4 exciting colors, and here's one in peach pink, blue and special edition green leather. The former got glass finish and green color variant has this special leather coating which Xiaomi calls vegan leather. It's made of eco materials, so a nice initiative. Fun part is the leather variant is a little thicker at 8.66 mm than glass one, which is 8.16 mm, but weighs a gram less. Some official images and specs coming in from China. The Xiaomi 12 Pro got a 6.73-inch 2K plus display and 120Hz high refresh rate with 480Hz touch sampling rate. This gonna have 12-bit colors, and DCI says it's a really expensive Samsung panel. Now, shocking part is Xiaomi will be using same 4600 mAh battery in both 12 series. The 12 gets 67 watts of fast charging, and 12 Pro can do 120 watts of insane fast charging cause of Surge P1 chip. Yeah, I wish it had at least 5000 mAh battery, but I guess they'll reserve that for Mi 12 Ultra. Some official specs coming in about the cameras. Xiaomi 12 uses IMX707 50 megapixel main sensor, got fast focus and can take some awesome images. The Xiaomi 12 Pro uses a 50 megapixel IMX707 which can take some awesome images, and there's 50 megapixel super wide which of course can shoot macro, and at last there's 50 megapixel telephoto lens. So a nice setup, got all main sensors, and I like how Xiaomi is not using fillers in there. Xiaomi is using cyber focus check, which is tracking mechanism their CyberDog use. This is how it's gonna work. So clean stuff, and Xiaomi says the Night Owl algo can take some mind-blowing night images and videos. So my thoughts: neat design, I like the dual curve edges, a large display and max out specs in there. The Sony IMX707 paired with Xiaomi's image processing is gonna take some nice images and videos. The only downside I found is 4600 mAh battery, which no doubt is gonna drain quick cause of 8 Gen 1 powerful silicon, max out resolution display, and of course MIUI 13. But yes, and there's 120 watts of insane fast charging which Xiaomi claims can charge Mi 12 Pro in 15 minutes. So decent specs. This all guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.